All right, this is a Walther PPK-S, just like James Bond, but with one extra round in it. And today I'm going to teach you how to take it apart, what to clean on it, and put it back together. First, on the left-hand side, release the mag, set that out, make sure it is unloaded, which it is. Next, the trigger guard comes down, pull it off to the right or the left side, and it'll stick outside like that. Pull the slide all the way back, up, and then all the way forward. Top of the slide comes right off, nothing else is in there. Next is you can pull a spring right off, and that is about it. For cleaning it, seeing that it really doesn't come apart any more than that, you need a barrel brush, a few patches, some oil, and a brush. So to clean out the barrel, all you're gonna have to do is get a 9mm. It is a 380, but 380 is 0.355 also, just like 9mm. Put a little bit of oil on your brush from the muzzle, or from the breech to the muzzle. Pull forward a few times, get the oil all up in there, and get it cleaning. After that, clean all the oil out and all the other gunk out. Pull that forward, and then you have a clean gun. One thing, just like with any semi-auto handgun, after putting a light, the last patch, possibly putting a light oil, or last patch being a little bit oiled, always oil the slides a little bit, and it doesn't need much, because that is a wear item. And that is about it on this pistol. Put it back together, spring back on, slide. Now you're gonna put the barrel straight through the top of the hole there, pull it all the way back till it's on the slides, and it'll go forward. If your trigger guard did not just pop up, all you have to do is just wiggle it around a little bit, get it to come up. And once that trigger guard is in, you cannot pull that slide off again. And now you are ready to load and shoot it, or whatever you want to do. It's that easy. That is why James Bond has this gun.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about!